Good afternoon, everybody. Wanted to jump on really quick because we are going to be doing a product unboxing and demonstration from Strappino. They reached out to us and they had mentioned that they have some of the toughest ratchet straps ever. So we wanted to give it a whirl. So today we're going to be doing an unboxing and then we'll do a couple demos of us out trying to use the straps. And if you're lucky, you might get me trying to use them once or twice.
And if you hear kids in the background, we have children, so enjoy it. It'll be a whole fun experience with the kids in the background. So
it really gives you the live feel, because if any of you are trying to go anywhere or strap anything down, we don't have any rain, but it's always in the elements and chaos. So we're gonna give it a real life whirl.
Wish us luck. All right, let's open the box. Let's see what we got here.
All right.
These are they're 2-inch S-clip straps.
Get ready to get strapped. Product. Definitely liking the boxing.
Little carry case.
Awesome. So especially, they definitely thought of the carrying with you, because most of you guys, I'm pretty sure these are rolling around in the bed of your truck. And so you have a nice little carrying bag right here. They do come in a set of 2. All right. And you don't have to do that ridiculous thread thing.
So yeah, the cool part about Strappino is they have like a built-in retract system. So there's no loose ends. Everything's already put together in the system, and you
self-contained.
Self-contained, yeah. So nice, sturdy material.
Yep, so they're sturdy material. If you look at the nylon on the straps, they're very heavy duty. They're not those flimsier ones that you see. So definitely not something that I question on if we're going to be using them to strap down the Ranger or the Razor.
What's the workload limit and brake strength? Should be a tag on there.
Braking strength is 5,000 pounds, and the working load limit is 1,667.
Per strap.
Per strap, and these are 12-foot straps.
So one of the things that we often forget is we spend tons of money on our toys. Right? I mean, they're worth more than some of our trucks right now. And the last thing you want to do is have them fall off your trailer. So we want to make sure we have a good quality strap so we can secure a load and make sure they get there the way we want them to be. So, like Samantha said, real heavy duty mechanism. Easy to pull in and out. Nothing to worry about. Just literally strap it down and cinch it tight.
If you're wondering about these clasps here, you know, sometimes you see them like the pins are broken on chain falls and stuff. As you can see, it's got a really good spring strength to it.
So yeah, once it's locked in, it's on.
So that's something that's really nice. Here, we'll do another little look at it so you can see it.
Try over here on this one, watch. It's on there. On there, it's locked. It ain't going anywhere. When you're done, it's all put back together, nice and tight. All right, so we finally got the Ranger load on the trailer. First time we actually loaded on the trailer. But back to the product. So here's the 2-inch Strappino like we talked about. First step to do is open them up. That way you get the free pull.
Put slack.
Put slack in it, that too. Yeah, you can get your slack out. Hook it on the D-ring. And it's tight. No extra slack, no other lay that you got to sit there and do some fancy knots to tie it away. It's all done. I mean, you're hooked up, everything's secured. You can't, hit a bump. The hooks can't come apart. It's got the safety latch on there. Easy peasy. That's one.
And we won't be flapping in the wind as we drive down the street or the road.
Show you guys another time. Fully secured. She is tight. One more. Do the old fashioned, ain't going nowhere.
So one of the things that's always intimidating with doing the straps is having to do the thread and figure out what's going on. So we figured we'd also give it a whirl to see if I can figure it out in strapping down the machine. So,
first time using the Strappino straps, first time strapping the Ranger down. So
all right, so we have easy click. Okay, we have this secured. I'm gonna pull the slack out here. As you can see, easy, it's not retracting and fighting me. I have to make sure that I stay straight, correct?
Yep.
All right, then I'm gonna come here. All right, and then we're gonna use this.
Yep.
All right. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. So I'm able to secure it.
Still no broken fingernails.
Yeah. Kelly would be very proud of me. Okay. So I'm able to let slack out so I can get it secured to the D-ring. Then I pull. Retracts all the slack. Still keeps it safe. Then I'm going to go ahead and secure it. One more. Voila.
Done.
So simple.
Machine's tied down.
Easy to use. All 10 nails are still intact.
Good job, good job. And so yeah, pretty simple to strap down a machine for somebody that's never done it before. I think Samantha did a pretty good job on that one.
One thing I'm also impressed with is, you know, we see most of our husbands keep their things stashed in the bed of the truck. They come with the really nice carrying cases, and you'd be very happy with the heavy duty quality of the nylon on the straps as well as the clips. Heavy duty, sturdy.
It's good to go.
All right.
Good job.
Let's ride.
Let's ride. So, easy to take them off, open all the way up. There you go. Tucked away, nice and neat.
Okay.
Ready for the next trip. And that's done. Just like before. Open them all the way up, make sure the strap isn't tangled. Last one. You're done. Now, if this was our Razor, we would just jump it off the trailer, but not sure Mama wants to do that with her Ranger.
No, I'm good.
So we'll have to get the ramps up, but we're done.
So we've been using the Strappino straps for about a week, and we wanted to give you an update on some of the features that we're really enjoying.
So the things that we've noticed so far, quality, straight out of the box, very durable, good material, webbing is strong, all the stitching is where it needs to be. The hooks, durable, rubber coated, clasps work great. We've used them to strap down the machine, hauled them around, came back, they were still nice and secured. We've actually messed around with them by strapping down some tires and in the back of the Ranger and a bunch of stuff with them. No issues with them, so we like that. The best feature I would say about them is they're fast. The one-piece design where it's already self-retracting, you don't have to worry about weaving the second part of the strap through the turnbuckle. You literally just
grab and go.
Open it, pull it, set it, and retract it or ratchet it, and it goes quick. Same thing when it comes to putting them away. Open them up, and they wind up again, and it's easy to put in the bag. So.
And we really liked the bag feature, so things aren't just rolling around. We also, it was super easy from a beginner standpoint. I usually don't strap stuff down, and it was super easy and intuitive for me to figure it out. So really appreciate Strappino reaching out. We had a great time reviewing these products, and we will be providing an affiliate link below. So if you check there and you purchase through our affiliate link, we'd really appreciate it. And if there's other things that you would like to strap down with these, please let us know. We look forward to continue testing these and trying them out in the elements, because if we're going to be off-road, they've got to be able to handle the mud, dirt, the snow, and everything else. So we'll be sure to follow up, and thank you very much. Hope you enjoy.
Thank you, guys.